हेलो एवरीवन, मैं वंदना आप सबका यूपीएससी टाइम में स्वागत करती हूँ। आज की वीडियो में हम 8th क्लास का अवर पास्ट 3 का पार्ट 1 का फर्स्ट लास्ट चैप्टर पढ़ने वाले हैं, जिसका फर्स्ट पार्ट अपलोड हो चुका है पहले। और उस वीडियो में कुछ एक साउंड्स प्रॉब्लम थी, तो हम वही स्लाइड्स को आज दोबारा से शुरू कर रहे हैं, जो कि है मद्रास। ठीक है, तो क्या है मद्रास चेन्नई हैड इट्स ओरिजिन एज ए कॉलोनिकल सिटी, यानी कि पहले के जो मद्रास है उसे आज चेन्नई के नाम से भी जाना जाता है। इट्स इनिशियल ग्रोथ वाज ए क्लोजली टाइड इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट एज एन आर्टिफिशियल हार्बर एंड द ट्रेडिंग सेंटर। व्हेन द पोर्टुगीज अराइव्ड इन द 1522 they built a port and named it Sao Tome after the Christian apostate Saint Thomas, who is believed to have placed there between the year 1552 and the 1570. The region then passed into the hand of the Dutch, who established themselves near Pulicat, just north of the city, in the 1612. Both groups survived to grow their colonial population, and although their population reached into the 10,000 person when the British arrived, they remained substantially outnumbered by the local Indian people. After that, Bombay was in 1807. The English East India Company transferred its headquarters from Surat to Bombay. The city eventually became the headquarters of the Bombay Presidency. Following the transfer, Bombay was a place at the head of all the company establishment in India. The encouragement of the trade of Bombay with the Jesuits, combined with the company's military success in the Deccan, paved the way for the educational and economical progress, which characteristic the city during the 19th century, leading to the city development during 1817 to 1885. By the 1845, all seven islands have been connected to form a single island known as Old Bombay, having an area of the 1435 km per square, 167.95 square mile, by the Hornvoland project due to the water famine in the 1824. After that, Chennai family named as Madras, is a capital of the state of Tamil Nadu, is Indian fourth largest city. It is located on the Coromandel coast of the Bay of Bengal, with the estimated population of 8.9 million and 400 years. City is the 31st largest metropolitan city in the world. Chennai boasts of a long history, from the English East India Company through the British Raj to the evolution in the late 20th century as the service and the manufacture hub for India. The modern city of the Chennai arose from the British settlement of the Fort St. George and its subsequent expansion through the merging numerous native village and the European settlement around Fort St. George into the city of the Madras. After that, the modern Chennai has its origin as a colonial city, and its initial growth was closely tied to its importance as an artificial harbour and a trading center. Francis J. and his superior Andrew Cogan can be considered as the founder of the Madras. Their small fortified settlement quickly attracted other East India Company traders, and as the Dutch position collapsed under hostile Indian power, they also slowly joined the settlement. This area became the Fort St. George settlement. It is otherwise referred to as the White Town. To differentiate these non-European and the non-Christian area from the White Town, the new settlement was termed Black Town. Collectively, the original Fort St. George settlement, White Town, and the Black Town were called the मद्रास, यानी कि इनके कॉम्बिनेशन को बोला गया था. इन द लेटर पार्ट ऑफ द 17th century, मद्रास स्टिली प्रोग्रेस्ड ड्यूरिंग द पीरियड ऑफ द ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी, एंड द पोर्टुगीज, डच एंड द ब्रिटिश population had been genocide during the Golconda period. Under the Mughal protection, large number of British and Anglo-American settlers arrived to replenish these losses. As a result, during the government of Liu Yale 1887 to 92, the large number of British and European settlers led to the most important political event, which was the formation of the institution of Mayur and the corporation for the city of the Madras. The expansion of Chennai led to the acquisition of other area nearby. This concentration of area developed, which resulted the present day core area of Chennai we see today. Constituted villages. What are the sorry confiscated village? Madras Pattanam, Narimeddu, the area of West Madras Pattanam, Triplicane, Tiruvol तिरुवोत्तियर, कोटली कवम, इस तरह से बहुत सारे विलेजेस थे जिसको ईयर वाइज बताया गया, जैसे मयलमोर एंड चन्नापट्टम, वेवेपेरी एट्सेट्रा. सॉरी. In the large half of the 18th century, Madras became an important British naval base and the administrative center of the growing British dominion in the South India. The British also fought for war with the Kingdom of the Mysore under the Hyder Ali and the later his son Tipu Sultan, which led to their eventual domination of Indian South. Madras was the capital of the Madras Presidency, also called the Madras Province. Consequently, they expand the Carter control of the company by the encompassing the neighbor village of the Triplicane, Agmore, and Pursavallakkam and the Chetpet to form the city of the Chennapattam, as it was called by the local. The development of the harbour in the Madras led the city to become an important centre for trade between India and Europe in 18th century. Spencer started a small business in 1864 and went on to become the biggest department store in Asia as the time. Development of railway station, high court, educational institution, other major administrative and the commercial building had taken Chennai to its new height. In 1900, Chennai acquired the status of city due to its increased population growth and advancement in the term of infrastructure and the amenities. The city's major economical activity was entirely based on the sea and other small-scale industries. The sea. On the whole, the colonial rule provoked the growth of Chennai into a multi-potential city which attracted people from all over the Tamil Nadu for the past 40 to 50 years, etc. Now, the conclusion from this chapter is the concept of colonialism started way back in the 1492 when the Columbus went to the search of India but accidentally discovered the America. The colonial rule impacted the whole world, creating a new settlement in the creation of new religion to create of a new country. ठीक है. Colonial India has contributed to modern India was see today with the establishment of the modern city lifestyle and also in the growth of mega cities like Mumbai, Chennai, etc. The imperialism of the British over the entire world has resulted the tremendous improvement in the trade of commerce which we have at the present. There would not have been a mega city like Mumbai or Chennai if colonial rule had not existed. यानी कि अगर colonial rule exist ना करते तो बड़ी बड़ी cities ना बनती like मुंबई और दी चेन्नई. ठीक है. इस तरह से हमारा ये चैप्टर और ये बुक कंप्लीट होती है. अगर चैप्टर से रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेरी या सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेरी हो तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछ सकते हैं. और चैनल पे नए आए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको टाइम पे मिल जाए. और फ्रेंड्स के साथ इस वीडियो को शेयर करते हैं ताकि वो भी चैप्टर रिलेटेड जानकारी ले सकें. एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. हैव अ ग्रेट डे.